Welcome to How Logical. In this video, I am going to show you how can you join a live on Yubo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Yubo app. Firstly, you have to open your Yubo application, and after opening the Yubo, go to the live by clicking to this button into the bottom right corner. Step 2. Join the live. Now after coming to the live section of Yubo, you just simply have to select the live that you want to join. And after selecting the live, you can see this raise hand button into the bottom of the live. Just simply click into that and confirm your raise hand by clicking to this raise your hand option. And after clicking there, you just simply have to wait for them to send you a request to join the live. You just simply have to select either join with audio or join with the video option. And after then you are all set to join a live into Yubo. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.